AI/ML model architecture with Python. Preface and Acknowledgment. In today's rapidly evolving industrial material, integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into enterprise systems is no longer a luxury but a necessity. For example, the aerospace industry with its complexity, precision, and demand for innovation, stands at the forefront of technological transformation. With over 4 decades of experience in the process industry, service industry, and software industry, author Pradeep K. Suri has witnessed firsthand the challenges and opportunities that AI and ML bring to modern enterprises. The author's career has spanned various stages of aircraft engine manufacturing, assembly, subassembly, and component development, allowing the author to explore how AI and ML can power the future of these vital industries. Throughout the author's journey in India and abroad, the author has authored 4 books: Success by Design and Practice, AI-Powered Enterprise Resource Planning, AI Modeling and Process, and A Journey into AI. Each of these books explores different aspects of how AI can transform industrial processes, from design to execution, offering readers practical insights into the application of these technologies. In the author's book, AI/ML Model Architecture with Python, Live Programs for Organizations in the Future of AI/ML, the author takes a step further into the future of intelligent systems. This book is a practical guide for organizations looking to leverage AI and ML models, particularly in the aerospace and manufacturing industries. Through real-world examples and live Python programs, the author demonstrates how these models can be integrated with existing ERP systems and APIs to deliver cutting-edge solutions that enhance efficiency, optimize processes, and drive innovation. Additionally, this book is part of a larger effort to provide extensive resources to those interested in AI and ML. The author has curated a collection of more than 500 videos on YouTube, covering a wide range of industries and use cases, including the process industry, engineering industry, and service industry, such as healthcare. These videos offer practical demonstrations, case studies, and tutorials on how AI/ML is transforming various sectors. They serve as a valuable resource for professionals and learners alike, helping them to stay updated with the latest advancements and applications in AI/ML. Having spent years working in the computer industry, author's experience spans programming, system design, and system application development across multiple architectures, including cloud architecture. This expertise has enabled the author to design AI/ML models that can seamlessly integrate into existing IT infrastructures while ensuring scalability, security, and performance. The book includes hands-on examples of implementing these models in real-world settings, with a particular focus on cloud-based deployments and architectures. As the world continues to embrace AI-driven solutions, the author remains committed to sharing knowledge and experience through ongoing updates. The book is accompanied by a dedicated website, where new content will be uploaded as AI/ML technology evolves. Readers will have access to the latest updates, downloadable PDFs, and instructional videos, ensuring they are always equipped with up-to-date information and practical tools. As industries across the globe prepare for a future driven by AI, the author hopes that this book and the additional resources will serve as invaluable tools, offering the practical expertise and insights needed to navigate the complexities of integrating AI/ML into organizational structures. Thank you.